Hello friends who like to find a better way. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the default save location for your Excel spreadsheets. So for example, and if you've already watched the one on Word, I'm going to say about the same things. But for example, I work with clients a lot on organizing their shared servers or electronic files. Just personally. And so inevitably the organization structure that we come up with is likely different than what the default save location is. In a lot of organizations, and definitely for individuals, the default save location is going to, if I just go ahead and save this one, the default save location is going to be someplace that just defaults in there, and then you have to go and change it. So if I'm in the Office 365 kind of app, so if I click on here, if I click on for a lot of you who go straight into the Save As dialog box, it's going to default right into documents, which are stored locally on that computer in front of you, which in an organization setting is not where we want to save our files. We want to save those out to the shared server. Or even for myself, I like to save my files to OneDrive. So kind of my cloud, where my business folders are. So what I'm going to do is show you how we can change that save to location. And we're just going to go up to File, Options. We're going to click on the Save menu. And again, just like in Word, the auto recover file is up here. We don't want that. We want this default local file location. Unfortunately, unlike Word, which gives us the ability to browse from here, we don't have that ability in Excel. So what we need to do is very simply just go into our Windows File Explorer, navigate to the folder that we want to have our spreadsheets, our Excel set up as the default file location. So in this case, I've asked it to go to my OneDrive folder, to my event management folder. So we're going to say, typically, that's where I want to go. You could set it to just go straight to the OneDrive location. But what I'm going to do is navigate to the folder I typically am saving spreadsheets to. That might be your financials folder. I don't know. But I'm going to click on here, and that gives me that full file path. And now I can use my copy function. I like to use Control-C as the keyboard shortcut, or I can right-click and choose copy, either way. And now I'm going to go back into Excel, back into that options, and I'm going to just replace what's there now by, we'll see, I think I can right-click and choose Paste, and sure enough, now I've got it defaulted to my Event Management folder. So I'm going to click OK. Now, if I were to go and save this spreadsheet, I'm going to go to File, Save As, and again, by default, Office 365, the Excel app, prompts you to this recent folder. I'm going to click on this PC instead, and you can see that my default location has now been changed to that event management. So no matter when, today, tomorrow, next month, I go to save an Excel file, it's going to default here. I can still change it. I can still go somewhere else, but it's going to default to this location. The only time this will change is if you get a different computer, and you just have to go through those steps again to set it up for your computer. So I find it to be a time saver. I hope that you do too. If you like this video, be sure and like it down below. And if it was a really great aha for you, I'd love for you to leave a comment. Before you leave, be sure and subscribe to this channel or sign up for my newsletter so you can get these tips and other ahas delivered directly to your inbox. Thanks again for watching, and I hope it helps.